Hi, I'm JAYAKUMAR. I'm a resident of TVH Park Villa. Recently means I bought a house in this apartment, and I want to do some woodwork at my residence. Predominantly I didn't have much choice. The kitchen was small and I had to get the get some of the things done, woodwork done over there. And I tried exploring. I found Cookscape to be one of the best in terms of providing us the solution, as well as multiple designs of how we can actually utilize the minimum space available to have a great design, as well as the capacity to hold whatever we want it to kitchen to be. It was a great experience working with them. They were very much on time of what they committed. In fact, they delivered before that, and we are very happy with the choices which they provided and the timely delivery and the services they rendered. It was really a great experience, and I would definitely refer Cookscape for all my friends and relatives, whomsoever, who want to go for a good quality work. It's a great experience. Give them an option and you will really discover that it's one of the best among the rest. Thank you. Have a nice day.